We are here right now in Barangay Manuyo Dos, Las Piñas City for a quick mini house tour of this 3-story, brand new, elegant yet affordable house and lot. One of the highlights of property nito is yung proximity niya sa SM City Sucat, LRT Line 1 Dr. Santos Station, and of course napakalapit na rin siya sa airport via C5 Extension and Cavitex. Accessible or napakalapit din niya sa mga top leading schools like Perpetual College, Southville International Schools, San Beda Alabang, Elizabeth Seton, and other private and public schools within the area. Nasa palapaligid lang po siya, within 2 km radius, napakarami pong schools dito. Ang hospitals, leading hospitals like Asian Hospitals, Perpetual Medical Center, and of course, Las Piñas Doctors Hospitals, it's just a quick 15 to 20 minutes drive, narating na po natin yung lugar na yan. Sa fasad pa lang po ng property, napaka-elegante niya na yan, napaka-modern. Paglipat nyo, may kuryente, may tubig na kayo. And sa mga kababayan natin naghahanap ng property, mga pa-OFW man yan, mga pa-OFW man kayo or locally employed, we offer bank financing assistance approval. All you have to do is to provide us your income documents and other personal documents like IDs and other requirements necessary for processing ng approval nyo sa bank, and we will do the rest. Mag-aantay na lang po tayo ng approval, and surely once ma-provide po natin yan, 99% ma-approve po tayo. By the way, the community is safe and secure 24/7. Gated po siya with security guard, 24/7 po yan. May mga CCTV sa mga sa lahat ng corner, sa mga Meralco post, and sa mga common areas, kompleto po siya. With existing na po yan, with existing community po dito, actually yung what we are having right now is we are selling the last remaining units of this property, and we offer a very big discount, surprise discount for your down payment. Details of the properties is nasa description below, and for a quick mini house tour or private exclusive tour, just a phone call away or just a text message, and I will be happy to serve you. So let's start for our quick mini house tour.